The Talking Tree and the Lost Bird. In a bright, colourful forest, there stood a big magical tree named Oki. He could talk, but only when someone needed help. One sunny morning, a tiny bird named Pippi got lost. She was flying too fast and forgot the way back to her nest. Scared and tired, she landed near Oki. The tree gently spoke, "Little bird, why are you sad?" Pippi chirped, "I can't find my way home." Oki smiled, "Don't worry, every problem has a solution. Look around, friends are everywhere." Suddenly a rabbit hopped by, a squirrel climbed down, and a deer came closer. Together they made a plan. The squirrel climbed high to search. The rabbit guided Pippi through safe paths. The deer gave her courage. Finally, from the tallest branch, the squirrel spotted Pippi's nest on a tree near the river. All animals cheered. Pippi happily flew back home. She thanked Oki and her new friends. Oki said warmly, "Remember, when we help each other, no one is ever lost." Moral: friendship and teamwork can solve any problem. Deciduous bird sparkles.